Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to save video from Telegram to Gallery. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So here I have my Telegram account ready, and as you can see there are a few videos that I have sent and have received to one of my contacts here. So in order for us to save a video, what you can do is simply go to your Telegram account and then click on the video that you want to download, and then you just need to click on the three dots menu on the upper right corner and just click on save to gallery and wait for it to load into your device. And that's basically how you save the video from Telegram into your gallery. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.